Welcome to the future of work, how AI will change the job market. In this video, we'll be discussing the potential impact of artificial intelligence on employment and the job market in the coming years. First, it's important to understand that AI has the potential to fundamentally change the way we work. From automating routine tasks to augmenting human capabilities, AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and occupations. However, it's also important to recognize that the impact of AI on the job market is likely to be complex and multifaceted. While some jobs may be automated or replaced by AI, others new jobs may be created as a result of the adoption of AI technologies. One key area where AI is expected to have a significant impact in the area of automation as AI technologies improve. It's likely that more and more routine tasks will be automated, freeing up humans to focus on more complex and creative tasks. This could lead a shift in the type of jobs that are demand, with a greater focus on skills like problem solving and critical thinking. Another important factor to consider in the role of AI augmenting human capabilities. In many cases, AI can be used to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of human workers rather than replacing them altogether. For example, AI-powered tools and systems could be used to help workers analyze large amounts of data or to assist with tasks like customer service or sales. So what does all this mean for the future of work? It's difficult to say for certain, but it's clear that the adoption of AI technologies is likely to have a significant impact on the job market. While some jobs may be automated or replaced by AI, it's also likely that new jobs will be created as a result of adoption of these technologies. It's important for individuals and organizations to stay informed about the latest development in the AI and to be proactive in the adapting to these changes. Thanks for watching the AI of future. The future of work, how AI will change the job market. We hope you found this video insightful and informative. Guys, if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe our channel for more AI technologies videos. Thanks for watching.